Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about how we trade in Forex. To make it easy to you, let me give an example. Let's say I have some dollars and you have some euros. The exchange rate of Euro USD is 1.1260, where Euro is base currency and USD is core currency. I will brief about it later. So this means that I am able to buy 1 euro in exchange of $1.1260. If I want to buy 1000 euro, then I have to pay you 1000 into 1.260 equals to $1260. So what does it mean? It means that I am buying 1000 euro where euro is base currency and selling $1260 where dollar is core currency. On the other hand, you are selling 1000 euro and buying $1260. Suppose after a week the exchange price of Euro USD is increased to 1.3100, and in that moment if I sell my 1000 euro, I will get 1000 into 1.3100 equals to $1310. So my profit is simply $50. So now the next question is, what is base and core currency? What I have said in earlier. To know it, let's go in the MT4 terminal. This is MT4 terminal. Let's pick any currency pair like what GBP USD. Here GBP USD, GBP is the base currency and USD is the core currency. Any currency pair, in any currency pair, the first currency is called base currency and the second currency is called core currency. So it means that you have to pay 1.52016 dollar to buy 1 British pound. I hope you understood it. Now I am going to tell you some basic concepts. If you want to buy the base currency and sell the core currency, you want the base currency to rise in value and then you would sell it back at a higher price, then it is called long buy. If you want to sell the base currency and buy the core currency, you want the base currency to fall in value and then you would buy it back at a lower price, then it is called short or sell. Now next question is, what is bid or ask price? All forex quotes are quoted with two prices, the bid and ask. For the most part, the bid is lower than the ask price. The bid price is the best available price at which you will sell to the market. The ask price is the best available price at which you will buy from the market. Another word for ask is the offer price. The difference between the bid and the ask price is popularly known as the spread. So let's see the real-time example. Again, we will go at MT4 terminal. In that example, GBP USD, here the price 1.52038 is bid price. See from here the market watch sections. This is bid price and this is ask price. That is, the first price is called bid price and the second price is called ask price. Here bid price. So here the first price is bid price, so where you can make the sell order, and the second price is ask price where you can make a buy order. So I hope you understood the concept of bid price and ask price. Now the next question is, what is pip or pipette? The unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies is called pip. If Euro USD moves from 1.2250 to 1.2251, that 0.001 USD rise in value is 1 pip. A pip is usually the last decimal place of a quotation. Most pairs go out to 4 decimal places, but there are some exceptions like Japanese yen pairs. They go out to 2 decimal places. There are brokers that quote currency pairs beyond the standard 4 and 2 decimal places to 5 and 3 decimal places. They are floating fractional pips, also called pipettes. For instance, if GBP/USD moves from 1.51542 to 1.51543, that 0.00001 USD move higher is 1 pipette. So that's all for today. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, please feel free to ask at our comment sections. Keep staying with us for the next video tutorial by subscribing in our channel. Bye for now. Thanks everybody and keep oil. Bye bye.